Shortcuts are cute, but keeping them cute outside salon visits, that's a whole nother story. That can turn into a whole situation if you don't have a plan. But today, I'm showing you how to keep your pixie or your TWA looking salon fresh every single day without doing the most. What's up, girl? It's your girl, the Silver Baddie, your shortcut-loving, gray, glowing style coach for grown Black women who want to look good and, girl, feel even better. So let's be real, short hair is not low maintenance. It's all about intentional maintenance. And after 33 years of being behind the chair, girl, the moment my clients walk in, whether you're rocking a pixie, a TWA, a rod set, or a flat iron, I already know what's going on at home. There's no fooling me. I can see what's working, what's struggling, and what needs a little love. And you know how we come from under the dryer with that flat mold, just like this. Sometimes you got a little tight wave pattern over here, and it may not be as straight in the back, so it's waving up, especially if you're wearing a relaxer. And that's exactly what you see here. I just came from under the dryer, and I'm always just loosening mine up a bit, adding a little texture. So here I'm just adding a little wax. I add a little gloss to it, just to give it that little edgier look, especially since I'm growing it out in the top, and just bringing that edge back to life. And y'all, that's exactly why I created this blueprint. Because really, nobody ever teaches you how to keep your shortcut polished and powerful between salon visits. So the Shortcut Perfection Blueprint is like having me in your bathroom saying, girl, here's exactly what to do. Inside, you'll get tons of maintenance tips and tricks and how to keep your shortcut looking intentional, even on your busy and or your so-called bad hair days. Your 3 to 5 minute styling switch ups. It could be soft one day like you saw it before I actually loosened the mold up, or even textured the next to make it a little edgier. And all of this gives your shortcut range and personality. Accessory glow-ups, how to add scarves, funky glasses, and all the little touches you need to take your shortcut from cute to grown woman gorgeous. And then inside the blueprint also, you will find a pep talk coming from your girl. I'll walk you through a mini transformation that takes you from fresh face to fierce right on camera, and show you how a bold lip, a pop of color, and a few chic touches can shift your whole look and your whole vibe in just minutes. Because sometimes your shortcut isn't the issue. You just need to add a little bit more fierce to your look. There's also a video, and for me, it's better, more so a tutorial where I walk you through and show you how to clean up little nips and snips between your salon visits, how to use clippers and liners in a very simple way, and how to choose the right tools like shears, trimmers, or even the feather razor so you can keep your shortcut polished without messing anything up. Because y'all, this ain't barber school. This is grown woman maintenance made easy. You'll have direct links to exact YouTube videos you need. No scrolling, no guessing, and how to keep your hair generally healthy. And one video you don't want to miss out on, where there's real women, even some of my clients, they talk about their short hair journey and how they care for their own pixie and or TWA.
First of all, you guys are looking amazing.
Thank you, and so are you.
Cheryl, thank you so much. Teresa, Miss Stephanie, Shari, Miss Yvette.
Girl, it feels like being in a salon with your own girlfriends. So sis, tell me in the comments below, what is the hardest part of keeping your shortcut cute between salon visits? Is it sleeping pretty? Is it the humidity? Is it losing the shape too fast? Let me know, girl, in the comment section below. If your shortcut is ready for an upgrade, grab the Shortcut Perfection Blueprint. It's simple, it's affordable, and it gives you the exact system to keep your pixie or TWA sharp, sexy, and full of personality. Going short, going gray, going bold. That's not letting yourself go, that's letting yourself glow. The link is down in the description box below. Go ahead and get yours today. I love you, girl, and see you in the next video.